Hey, this is Will from LifterLMS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the password strength on your checkout pages for your LifterLMS courses. Now, we had an old video on how to do this, but it has since changed. So this is the new way to set password strength as of November 2021. So if I head to the backend of WordPress here under LifterLMS forms, this is where we can find our checkout form, our register form, and our edit account form. The one I'm going to edit today is the purchase information form, the one that appears on checkout. And I'm going to want to make sure to find the password field here. And to make this a little more clear as to what's going on this page, let's go to the top of the page here, top and about the middle, and click on this little list view icon. This shows me a layout of all the blocks on my page, and it's especially useful to be able to see this when you're looking at this checkout page, because you can see all these nested fields, how you have two fields nested within this password field. So clicking around can be a little bit confusing, but this list view tool is very useful. So the specific field we want to go to is the user password one. If I click on that, you see we have some options over here on the right, and if I click password, we have some options over here. So this is the confirm password field and the user password field. And so we want to click on this user password one, this first one right here. And over here on the right, once I have that field selected, we'll have the option for minimum password strength. And so this is where you can change it to medium or weak. And you can also set a minimum password length right here if you wanted to do that as well. Also, a password strength meter, you can see very weak. Right here, I can turn that on or off. That's pretty useful to leave on just to let people know where their password is at, especially since it says a strong password is required. And so it's going to let you know when you have a strong password. So yeah, super useful feature. Just LifterLMS forms, select the form you want to edit, select the user password field, and that's where you'll have the option to select the requirement.